Let's get an overview of string manipulation functions. We use string manipulation functions quite extensively, and there are a bunch of them with respect to string manipulation. However, here are some of the important functions which we typically use. We perform string manipulation in the form of case conversion, getting size of the column value. We might want to extract the data either from fixed length strings or variable length delimited strings. That's where functions like substr and split underscore part come handy. We also trim and pad characters from the strings. That's where the trim functions and pad functions comes into picture. We can reverse the strings. We can also concatenate the strings both by using functions such as concat underscore ws, as well as operators such as double pipe. Here are some of the categories with respect to string manipulation functions and the list of string manipulation functions which we typically use. We will get into the details as part of the subsequent topics. There will be a bunch of short videos which will talk about string manipulation functions. Just go through all these and practice as much as you can so that you are really comfortable with the string manipulation functions. Whenever you see a business requirement, you should be able to think which type of function you should be using, and you should go to the documentation, understand the syntax and semantics of the function, and you should start using it.